Every day you see videos claiming you can get 1,000 subscribers in one day. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the truth. They're lying. Those shortcuts don't work, and worse, they can destroy your channel before it even starts. Today I'm going to expose the fake hacks, show you how YouTube really works, and give you the roadmap to actually grow to 1,000 subscribers the right way. Part 1. The myth. Let's start with the big lie. 1,000 subs in one day. Ask yourself this. If it was that easy, why isn't everyone famous? Some people push bots, sub-for-sub groups, or clickbait promises. Sure, you might see your sub count go up, but YouTube is smarter than you think. Fake engagement kills your reach. Bots don't watch your videos. They don't like, they don't comment, and they definitely don't care about your content. So your videos get buried. And that dream of making money? Gone before it even starts. Part 2. How YouTube actually works. Here's the truth. YouTube doesn't care how many subs you have. It cares how many people watch and enjoy your videos. Two things matter most. Click-through rate. How many people click your thumbnail plus title? Watch time. How long they actually stay. If people click your video and watch to the end, YouTube will show it to more people. That's how real growth happens, not fake hacks. Part 3. The real path to 1K subscribers. So how do you really hit 1,000 subs? Here's the blueprint. Pick a niche. Don't post random stuff. Focus on one theme so people know what to expect. Be consistent. Upload at least 2-3 videos per week at the start. Master thumbnails and titles. This is 50% of your success. If they don't click, they don't watch. Engage with your audience. Reply to every comment. Create a community, not just views. Share your videos in the right places. Reddit, Discord, LinkedIn, wherever your audience lives. Do this and your first 1,000 subs won't just be numbers. They'll be real fans. Part 4. Making money before 1K subs. Another myth. You can't make money until YouTube monetization. Wrong. Even with 100 subs, you can make money if you're smart. Affiliate links in your description. Selling your own digital product or guide. Partnering with small brands. YouTube pays you once you hit 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours. But you don't have to wait until then to start earning. That's the secret no one tells you. So forget the fake promises. There's no magic button, no instant growth hack. But if you give real value, stay consistent, and play the long game, YouTube will reward you. Now I want to hear from you. What frustrates you most about YouTube growth advice? Drop a comment below. I'll be reading and replying. And if you're serious about building a real channel, hit that subscribe button. Because here I'll always give you the truth about growth, not the lies.